Hi, in this video I will show you how to add thumbnails to our YouTube videos. To add thumbnails, you can add any kind of thumbnails, like you can edited pictures, downloaded pictures, any pictures from your gallery you can upload. See this in this YouTube videos they have selected their own thumbnails, edited one. Okay, like this you can add. To adding thumbnails, first you have to download YouTube Studio. You have to download YouTube Studio from the Play Store. From the Play Store you can download YouTube Studio. It will be the YT Studio. It will be written YT Studio. Okay, once it's open, you can see your uploaded videos in your YouTube. Select your video, which video you want to change the thumbnails. After selecting the YouTube video, there will be one edit button, that pencil like picture. You have to click that one. Then again okay, and again you have to click that edit button. Then you can see the thumbnails. From their custom thumbnails you can upload any pictures from your gallery. See, my gallery is loading. See, there are many pictures in my gallery. I can select any picture from this my gallery. I am selecting this picture, then select, then save. Click on save. Okay, the thumbnail has been changed. Okay, this see, in this video the thumbnail is already changed. Like this you can change your thumbnails. Okay, but first you have to download that YouTube Studio. Okay, from there only you can change the thumbnails. Okay, thank you for watching. Please subscribe.